Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 8.3. Category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Room Category 5. Room Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Room Category 9. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this resort, 10 type of room is available on YogyakartaWelcome. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is first class and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This hotel is 2 p.m. and checkout time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. To get more details about this resort, please use the description box and check out experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then you subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new resort.